What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here, and welcome back to all my returning subscribers. And for your first time, if you're coming across this channel, welcome, and please subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I basically do reviews and various type of product, and on this channel you can see guys a lot of product on this channel right here. So if you stick around, you're gonna see something you might like. So in today's video, I'm going to do the unboxing of my MacBook Pro, as you can see right here. I'm so excited to unbox this to let you guys see. So I did get the 14-inch version MacBook Pro M3 Pro chip. So I'm going right into the unboxing right now. I'm going to do a couple tests as well, so let you guys see how it basically look and all those things. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Wow guys, this is looking really sleek. Alright guys, so this is the MacBook right here. Finally boot up. The display on this guys is really good, coming from a Windows laptop. The laptop basically I was using was the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. I have that basically for at least 3 years now, been using to edit my YouTube videos and those things. So I finally upgrade to this now, which I can do some more faster exporting and more color grading and those things. That's why I go for this MacBook right here. So in this MacBook we have the M3 chip. So I have 18 gig of unified memory, 1 TB SSD, 14-inch with M3 Pro chip. That's what inside. Because I'm a first time user of MacBook, I don't really know much about this interface. So what I'm going to do, I might in the future give you guys some more update in terms of how this work well in terms of editing video on. Now I'm going to show you guys the display of this right here. So this basically comes with the MagSafe right here, charging, 2 USB port, And right here we have the headphone jack. Also on this side right here we have the SD card, we have an HDMI, and also we have a USB Type-C port as well on this side right here. So we have at least 3 of them, which comes on this. And this model we have the MagSafe charger as well, as you can see right here. So I'm going to show you guys how it basically works. So if I can click this on, you can see right there charging. Clip on right there. So if someone is passing by and basically bounce off a card right here, you can see like someone bounce it, it will basically flip out like this. You can see laptop still stays on the table, which is really great. This power brick right here is a 96 watt USB Type-C adapter. Now this machine right here is a powerhouse, and this requires a lot of watt to basically power this machine right here. Also in the package I did manage to order a case for this device right here. This is a case. I will also put a link for this down in the description if you guys want to check this case out. Looks something like this. We have a screen protector as well. We have the case right here. We have the cover for the keyboard. So we can see our port right here. Have access to all our ports. Over to this side as well. At least I want to get it all of my fingerprints. So you can see the colors as well a bit. Put it right over here. Very neat. And you can see this one is a silver color, so you're not going to see much of fingerprint on this. You can see a bit of smudges as I'm basically touching, but not like the matte black version, which enough people are complaining a lot about fingerprint and those things. But what I can say, guys, I'm loving the display right here. I'm really loving the display of this. It's looking really sharp. So I'm gonna see if I can go to the menu on here and show you guys the specs of this. Yeah, you guys can basically see the specs on it right there. Yeah guys, so I'm basically testing it right now, the speaker on this right here. Let you guys see. There's something about your eyes. And guys, I also want to say typing on this really feel comfortable in terms of when you're typing. The keyboard really feel nice. I like the spacious right here of this trackpad, very broad and feel very smooth. I like the design of it right here. Alright guys, so there's not much to say in this video, just my unboxing and first impression of this MacBook Pro right here. Now in the future, I'm going to give you guys an update video in terms of how this is angling in terms of my video editing. So make sure that you guys are subscribed to this channel for more content like this. And as always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys. Stay tuned.